Copy trading for beginners traders. Do you want to start forex trading or cryptocurrency trading without analyzing the charts, or you don't even know how to analyze the charts, or maybe you don't have a trading strategy or you are still building on one, or maybe based on your tight working schedule you don't have enough time to analyze the market or to look out for trade opportunities with your trading strategy? Don't worry, in this tutorial guide I will show you how you can solve this issue with a copy trading system. So what is copy trading? Copy trading is a system that allows you to copy the trades of professional traders, which means you can connect your trading account to automatically replicate each trade professional traders take on their trading accounts. Unfortunately, not all forex or cryptocurrency brokerage firms offer this system. Therefore, I left some links in the description of this video. Check out this link so you can register with regulated, transparent forex brokerage firm that offers copy trading system. So once you've registered your account with the brokerage firm which offer copy trading system, then you can start copying the trade of professional traders. Now, let me walk you through on how you can start copy trading, and they'll use this as another source of income generation in the financial market. If you are yet to register your trading account with this brokerage firm, please check the registration video tutorial link in the description of this video, and please don't download the app for registration. You log in, you put your email. It is simple. Just put your email, the email you used to register, click on it, your password, everything, input it. Don't share your password with anybody. HFM will not call you for your password. Chat Empire will not call you for your password. Anyone who calls for your password is a scammer. Don't give out your password. It's your personal information. You input your password and make sure you save your password, your details on your phone. Then you click on continue. So that is how to log in into your HFM account. So simple as that. Then you click on these three horizontal line at the center here. So once you click on it here, that is where you see options to deposit or to withdraw. But first, check if there's available funds in your HFM account. If you have never deposited or if you cannot remember, click on this first care icon at the right top of your screen right here. So once you click it, you'll see this account now is zero. So you have to deposit before you can copy trade. So Copying Pro Connect help you to connect your account to professional traders. You are asleep, you are at work, you are busy, you don't know how to trade, you don't have a trading strategy, don't worry. Once you connect your account to the copy trading system, it automatically copy trades of professional traders, right? So simple as that. Now, we have to click on these three lines here because we don't have available funds. Then you navigate to your deposit right there. So once you click on the deposit, you see different deposit options right here. You scroll all the way down, you scroll all the way down. You can use OPay or online bank transfer. So I will advise you to use OPay or online bank transfer. The other ones right here will take time. So use OPay or online bank transfer. So once you click on OPay right here, then you scroll all the way down, all the way down. Now you input the amount you want to put into your broker account. In this tutorial, we are going to make use of 1 million naira. But based on the bank account we want to use to make payment into this HFM account, we can only make maximum transfer of 500,000. So if you have such issue, what you need to do is to first create a ticket of 500,000 naira on HFM. So you create it right here. That is if you want to fund up to that. But the minimum requirement to join the copy trading system is $100. But it is advisable you put something reasonable so that you can make a reasonable profit. Because if you put small amount of money, the return will be as well low. All right. So in this tutorial, we make use of 1 million naira as deposit. So we split this into two because the bank we want to use to transfer cannot transfer more than maximum of 500,000 naira. If you create a ticket of 1 million naira and you split the payment 2 times, HFM will not accept that. And I like that about the broker. That means there is transparency and you have to follow the rule right there. So now once you input the 500,000, automatically you see the exchange rate. Today's exchange rate is 1,000 naira, 362 naira, right? 1,362 naira to $1. So if you fund 500,000 naira right now, it means you are going to get $367.11. So let's continue. Then you scroll down, you click on deposit. The minimum amount you can deposit is 8,000 naira, and the maximum account you can deposit is 5 million naira, right? And I think this depends on your verification stage, right? So you click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, then you'll be directed to a new page whereby you can use OPay to make payments. Now copy the account number. Make sure the account number has HFM details. You will see it has HFM. You can see HF Market. So if you have any name different from HF Market, please don't make that transfer. Don't make that transfer. The name must not be different from HF Market. Now, once you see the details right there, then you navigate to your mobile app, which is the application you use to transfer money to your family, to your friends, your relatives, or for business transaction. So you go to your mobile, your bank app, website, and please don't use HFM app. You will be prompted to use HFM app. Don't use it. Use it, your browser on your device. You can see now successful. This is so fast. They don't waste time. Just return to merchant. You go to the HFM website, and then you navigate to go and check your wallet. You will see the money in your wallet. If you can't see it, refresh. The money should appear. And if yet you are unable to see it, just log out and log in once again. Now, once we log out, then we have to log in again into our HFM account. Remember, you should have created your account through the link in the description of this video, and then click on continue, and then input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgotten password to create a new one. You get an email, the email you used during your registration on HFM website. So let's click right here. You can see right now the money is there. So if you can't see the money in your wallet, all you need to do is just log out and log in again. If you refresh right here, and you are unable to see the money in your account, don't worry, don't panic. Once you know the money you sent is to HFM, don't worry, don't panic. Just log out. If you log in and you still can't find the amount, just download the payment slip, go to your email, use the email you used to register with HFM to send them an email. That is the email details with HFM. Once you register with HFM, you already submitted your email with them. Use that same email you used for registration, and they'll input your wallet ID. Your wallet ID, you click on the image right here, avatar image here, and you copy this wallet ID. That is what you put in the subject of your email. And then you upload your payment slip, send it to HFM. They will credit you once the payment is being sent to their bank account. Now, we want to practicalize again how we can fund our account once again. Now, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, then click on deposit. Click on deposit. Then once you click on deposit, you'll see different payment options. Scroll all the way down. You can use OPay or any other bank method. So let's click on bank transfer. Under the bank transfer, you will see different options. Now, we've used the OPay instant bank transfer. Now, let's use the online bank transfer and see how it looks like. Please, if you want a faster payment credit into your account, I will advise you use OPay or use what? Or use the online bank transfer. Now, let's test the online bank transfer. Now, you click on the online bank transfer. You scroll all the way down. You input the amount you want to deposit right here. You can see right here, 500,000. This 500,000. You can see under the online bank transfer, we can deposit up to 10 million naira. But under the OPay, you can deposit a maximum of 5 million naira. So if you want to deposit more than 5 million naira, then the OPay may not be the available option for you. You can either split it, or if you want to make the payment at once, just use the online bank transfer. With the online bank transfer, you can deposit up to 10 million naira at once. So deposit. So once you click on deposit, you allow the next page to open, whereby you will see the details of where to make payments. Now, as you can see right there, so now take note, under this section right here, you may see a name different from HF Market. Yes. Now, under the online bank transfer, HFM has different online merchant payment processor. Yes. So you may see a different name. Don't panic. Just make sure the details given to you on HF Market website is the same details you send money to. Now you can see right here, they said GTB Bank. This is the account number. And now you are seeing Squad Elipa Payments Nigeria Limited. You may be kind of worried that this is not HFM now. Why am I seeing Squad Elipa Payment Nigeria Limited? Don't panic. Elipa Payments Nigeria Limited is one of the payment processor of HFM. All right. So now, what you want to do is make sure this is the name you will see on that same bank account. Now you copy this right here. Just click on it on your device. You click on it, then you copy it. Once you copy it, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, alternatively, if you are still not convinced or you are scared, you can just go and use the OPay bank transfer if you are still worried about this payment. Now you can see 500,000, continue to payment. You click on payment, put some funds into your copy trade account. You are yet to open a copy trade account. Know that. Don't forget that. Now, if you already have payment in your wallet, maybe when you log in into your HFM, you already have funds in your account. Maybe you click here and you can see the second payment is not there. If you already had payment in your account and you just want to copy trading system, all you have to do is just to make sure that, okay, you click on the horizontal line at the center here. Once you click on that, then you navigate all the way down to copy trading. Click on copy trading here. Once you click on copy trading, you scroll up. Then you click on follow a strategy. Once you click on follow a strategy, then you allow the page to open. Then the next thing is you click on view all. Once you click on view all, then you search copy pro. Copy. And when you input or when you are typing, make sure you input the words correctly. Because if you input the wrong words, you won't be able to search the copy pro. And then make sure you don't put other details apart from copy pro connect. So you put space after your copy, space. Listen attentively. I will try again. Please start with copy, then space, then pro. Now I will start again because this is where most people make mistakes. Copy, COPY, copy. Make sure there is no space at the front of your C. All right, you start directly with copy. Don't put any space, just copy. COPY, COPY, and then space, then pro, PRO, then another space, then connect. Now, at times, if you are typing, your keyboard may automatically give you suggestion. If you click on that suggestion, automatically your phone will add a space at the front of that letter of the suggested letter. That is when you have to clear out that space. For example, if I click on this connect right here now, you can see my phone has already placed a space at the front of my T. So if you don't remove this space, you won't be able to search this copy pro. Now let's practicalize it. You click on the search button right here, this search icon that looks like a mirror. If you click on it right here, you will never see the platform. You won't see that because space is already included in your copy pro connect. So space is a character. So you have to remove that space. You can see that. Use your backspace, remove it. Once you remove it, then now search. You will see. You will see. You can see now. So make sure there is no space. Only copy pro connect. No space at the front. No space at the back. Make sure it's copy space pro space connect. No space at the front of connect. Now you now see the copy pro. And see this is the copy pro account. You can see. Alternatively, if you have issues right here, you can ask for the direct link to direct you to the platform right here. Okay, so if we send you the link can direct you right here. So ask for the link. If you have issue right here, ask for the link on our customer support page. So you click on follow. Now once you click on follow, the minimum amount you can deposit on this account is $100. So we advise you to deposit something greater than that. So this will give you a high margin. So the higher the margin, the higher the reward. So you input right there the amount you want to put into the copy trading system. But take note, the minimum you can put is $100. So how much do you want to put? 400. So in this tutorial, we put 400 into this copy trading account. 400. So if you put 400 into the copy trading account, if you have available funds, you can be using that to follow our trading signals or to trade on your own. If you already enrolled for the tutorial, so you can as well trade on your own, or you use that to follow our trading signals, and you have the other half in the copy trading system. So this is $400.
Is it possible to increase it?
You can increase it. Anytime you want to increase it, I'll also show you how you can increase it. Okay. So we can make it to be 500. So now let's make it to be 500. Okay, that is 500. Now this is where you put your settings. Now volume allocation. Under this volume allocation right here, it says the percentage which alongside your equity is used to determine the copy ratio. Formula used to calculate the volume you will copy. Your copy ratio is your equity strategy provider's equity. Now under this place right here, you can allocate that. Okay, out of this $400, I want to use all this $400 to be copying trade of professional traders. Yes. So if you want to use all the money, 400, you say, okay, I allocate 400 to copy. Now, all the money in my account. Now, there's something we call rescue level. Rescue level is provide, let's say for instance, the copy pro, they make losses and then you don't want all your $400 or your fund to be to go into loss. You can say, okay, out of this money I've put under the copy trading system, or out of this $400, I just want to lose maybe 20% or 30% or 40% or 50%. So you can determine. So when the loss get to that level, then automatically that account, your account will be closed and your remaining fund will be transferred into your wallet account. So how much do you want to risk out of this 400 if the worst comes to the worst?
It's already 500 now.
Yes. Yeah, it's 500. Yes, 500. How much is the worst? If anything goes below this, I want to remove my account from this pro account.
200.
200, right? If the money gets to 200, right?
But if at all want to add up the market is bullish, it favor us. Oh, hope there's no other side effect.
If you are in profit, if your account is profit, as the professionals are making profit, you're also in profit. But at the end of the trading activity, you have to pay the professionals for their service. So that is, which means, as a copy trading system, you bring your funds, the professional bring their knowledge. So it's a win-win-win. So once they win, the profit is divided by 50-50 based on this system. Although there are other systems whereby you have a higher return, but it's higher risk. So to make it a kind of a risk which is not too much, then the Copying Pro Connect says, okay, we will only look out for quality trade setup. So the professionals trade on your behalf, you put the fund. When the market goes and when everything is bubbling, greenish, profitable, then you split the return 50-50. So which means once they've closed the profitable trade, your own commission is given to them and your own profit is given to you.
Okay,
So that is
automatically.
automatically. So the system will do that automatically. So that is how it works. So now what you need to do is, you cannot say your rescue level. So your rescue level is on this $500 account. So how much will be $200 or $500? So if you have to do the calculation, that means $200 will be 40%. That means if my account should burn to 40%, save my 40% out of this, I'm not doing again. So now you input 40%. So this is 40%. So that means 40% is protected. Now, copy minimum and maximum trade volume. Let's do this right here. Now, what is copy minimum and maximum trade volume? Copy minimum says, copy minimum volume means that you will be copying a trade based on the minimum trade volume available. If your copy ratio were to indicate that you can only copy a trade smaller than the minimum tradable volume available, this will ensure that you can still copy the trade. Copy maximum. Copy maximum means that you will be copying a trade based on the maximum trade volume available. If your copy ratio were to indicate that you can only copy a trade bigger than the maximum tradable volume available, this will ensure that you can still copy the trade. Since you've set your rescue level right here, then you don't need to worry about it. And you have enough sufficient fund, which we advise $500 and above. So you can leave this minimum and maximum right there. So if you don't have up to $500, if you have below like $300, you can remove that maximum. Okay. So now you input your password. The password you will be willing to use to log in, to withdraw, to make deposit into your copy trading portfolio. So you can use the same password you use for logging in. So just click right there, and now you input a code right here. That code will be 33605. The activation key. Then you click on add. Once you click on add, then you click on confirm. Click on add. Click on confirm, then you click on start following, then you acknowledge. Once you acknowledge, then congratulations, you are now following this strategy provider. So whenever they take a trade, your account will automatically take the trade. Now this is what happens if you want to make withdrawal from your account. Now this is your account. You don't need to log into this MT5 account. You don't need to log into it, because when you log into it, you have breached the terms and conditions. Because if you log into it and you mistakenly take a trade, then it's not accepted, because once you log into this MetaTrader 5 account, the account can be disconnected. Because let's say for instance you log in and you are doing something else on the account, you can easily push the blame on the professional traders. So in order to prevent something like that, once you log in, automatically the system will disconnect you because you've breached the agreement. So you don't need to log in.
You don't need to even tamper with it
tamper with
again.
it.
If you want to even use another
Yeah,
account entirely.
so if you want to use another account for trading, go and open another MetaTrader account. I will also show you in this tutorial. Now, you have already copied. Now, the only thing you will be looking out for is your balance and your equity. Once they make trade and the trade is profitable, you will see your equity is increasing. And if the opposite should occur, you will see your balance is decreasing. So once you open here and you see that there is enough profit, you can just click on remove. So you click on right here, remove fund. Once you click on remove fund, then you have to indicate the type of withdrawal you want to use. There are two withdrawal methods. Withdrawal one means says, I want to remove all my funds from this copy trading system. Withdrawal two means I want to remove from profit or some funds while I'm still following the strategy provider. So you click right here. The standard means you just want to remove from money. Maybe you need money or you want to remove from profit. While unfollow means I want to close this account. I'm not following strategy provider again. So if you want to remove profit, yeah, that is unfollow. But if you want to remove profit or money, maybe you need money, and you still want to follow the strategy provider, you just click on standard. You click on standard. So you now input the amount of money you want to withdraw. Maybe your account has given you profit like 700, and out of the 500 you deposit, you're not seeing 700. You cannot say, okay, let me just remove $200 of my profit. Once you input that, then you can calculate the performance fee here. Calculate the performance fee right here, because your account hasn't copied a trade yet, so nothing will be removed from your money. So now that you have removed from your balance, you have 700 there before, you've removed 200 profit, your money is now back to 500. Now you can set another rescue limit again, that okay, on this $500 again, I see if these people know what they are doing, let me leave it to 30% again, or let me move it up to be 50%, or maybe move it up to be 60%. So you can reset again right here. You reset again right here. You select another one right here. So once you do that, you click on remove fund. So your profit will now go into your wallet, and that rescue set you already see, the new one you set here will be activated. So this is how you use copy trading system. So since you're not removing anything now, but let's try to see. If you click this right now, you're able to remove funds, and you click on remove. That is all. So once you remove funds, your capital would have reduced. So you can also check your minimum and maximum. If your fund is still above 500, you can leave it to copy minimum and copy maximum. So that is all. So now you are copying the trade. Whenever they take the trade, your account will copy. And you can see down under your wallet right here. Just refresh. And see under your wallet right here now, you only have the money in your wallet available. The $500 is now the copy trading system. So that does not mean your $500 has disappeared though. No, you'll be seeing the balance under the copy system. So now you can see on this account right now, we don't have any MetaTrader account here. That means you haven't created any MetaTrader account. But before we create a MetaTrader account, let me show you how you can still navigate to your copy trading system and withdraw or make deposits. Click on this horizontal straight line here, right here. Then let's refresh it. Let's refresh. All right. Then you can see copy trading. Click on copy trading. You can see my follower account. So you click on my follower account because you're already following. You click on my follower account. If you want to follow another copy trading system, you click on new strategy provider. But if you still want to copy the same person
with different accounts,
so you click on my follower account. If you want to follow the same person with another account, you click on a follow a strategy. Follow a strategy. But if you want to follow another fresh strategy provider, you click on new strategy provider. So let's say, for instance, you want to follow the same strategy provider, you click on follow a strategy.
Different account.
Yes. So you can see that. So you open another account, then you search right here again, Copy Pro Connect. Okay. So let's navigate back.
Can we do it this way? Even the balance of that 200
another account. Okay, let's do that again. Now let's try to copy another account. Let's go to right here. Now let's start afresh. We go to a follow a strategy again. Now on that follow a strategy once again, Let it open. You click on view all. Copy Pro Connect is already there. You can highlight, you can favorite the copy provider. If you still don't know how to search it, just send us a message on WhatsApp or Telegram so that we can send you the direct link to get to this page. Don't use the HFM app. Now click on follow. Now it has opened. Now you input the amount you want to use to follow, 200, right? I think we have $234. Okay, so let's just put 30. And then allocation 100%, rescue 40%, minimum maximum, create password, same password, and the same 3360005. You add it, you confirm, you start following, you acknowledge. Now you started following. So when you click on my follow account, you will see your two different accounts. You can see that right here. So this is two account following this strategy provider. You can see this is the first one, 230. The second one. So that is it. So that is everything under the copy trading.
Where is it? That 230.
The 230, this is it.
Okay.
The 500 is it. So your balance, let's refresh and see your balance. Your balance is $4. So it is good for beginners, so you don't blow your accounts. So the account will be under management of professional traders, so you don't blow your money. Once you now know how to trade, you can now start taking trade on your own. So that is all. So to open a MetaTrader account, maybe you want to be trading on your own, you have to fund another MetaTrader account. So don't tamper with this one, don't touch this one. Now click on this three horizontal line and you navigate to trading account. Trading account. You click on open live account. Once you click on open live account, then you go to superior account. Under superior account, then you click on premium account. Under premium account, then you choose MT5, USD, leverage 1 to 1000, your nickname, you can put your name. The password, you input that same code, 336005, you add it.
That is a CFM code. So,
Yes, that is the IB referral code. You add it. This gives you access to our trading signals community. Then you click on open. You can see you've opened a live trading account. So this is the account you'll be using to trade. Now, what you want to do now is go to your MetaTrader 5. Do you have MetaTrader 5 on this device?
I have it before.
Now, let's go to our Play Store. If you don't have it, let's search it.
Okay.
It is not here, so let's download our MetaTrader. We navigate to our Play Store. We search for MT5. Don't ever use the HFM app. MT5. This is it. You update it. Okay, you already have it. You just have to update it. If you don't have it, just download it. So installing. Now you open it. You can see this is the demo. You already have a demo there. So if you want to add your live account, you click on manage. You click on plus right here. You already have a live account. Okay, read only. Okay, this is read only. Yes, you have to be very, very careful.
Go and touch the live account.
You have to be very, very careful. So If you want to log into that MetaTrader 5 you just created, you navigate back to the HFM, you copy your trading account number, you know your server. Your server is very important. First thing you have to use this server. Your server here, you make sure it's the same server you input on the MetaTrader 5. So make sure it's the server given to you here. So you copy that, you go back to the MT5, you search your server here. So search it. So you click on HF Market Global. You make sure you're using the server. You can see this one right now is HF Market Global Live 3. It's not the server. The server given to us is what? Server given to us is HF Market Global Live 20. And what is given to us here now is HF Market Global Live 3. We're not giving 3, we are giving 20. So you click on this arrow here. Then you search for 20. This is 20. Click on 20. Once you click on 20, then you navigate back to your HFM app. You copy your trading account ID. Then you come right here. You input the password here. You input your login here, your login ID. Now your password. The password you use, the password we automatically use that time was the one we used to log into our HFM. Let's see. I'm not sure this would go. If it doesn't go, so authorization fail. If it doesn't go, you click on right here. You click on connect. You input your password again.